Matthias Ezeaku. Matthias Ezeaku. Matthias Ezeaku bụ ole ka m kpọrọ gị? Igbo bụ Igbo ekele m nụ sike onye chi biko ya zere. Ọ ka bụkwa nwoke NDS Opinion TV. Biko achọrọ m gị onye mewe onye nkwado Matthias Ezeaku, mewe onye ọma, mewe onye ọjọọ ya. Biko gegodu ntị na nwa this 2-minute exposition maọbụ ihe nkọwapụta the true crime Daniel kọwapụtara gbasatara nwa Yoedochi ọnwụrụ. Biko ka inye uche gị ma onwe ebe ihe a si gbatatawa, onwe ebe ọnwụ nwa a si gbasatawa ndị ụka maọbụ chọọchị maọbụ ekpere maọbụ anything ọbụla that has to do with Christianity. N'ihi na onwe ihe ọbụla mere Matthias Ezeaku eburu chọọchị buru Christianity bude n'isi, na Christianity gburu ya, Christ gburu ya, Jizọs gburu ya, nke a gburu ya, nke a gburu ya, ma ya na onwe echefuo ohi o ji aha ndị mmadụ na-azụ. Ya echefuo ohi o ji aha charity organization na-azụ n'isi ndị mmadụ. Ya echefuo the more you look the less you see ọ na-egwu ndị mmadụ. Ya echefuo na the same people na sponsor his charity organization na ihe ndị ọzọ, both Christians, both Muslims and the rest of them na sponsor ya. Mana ihe ọ na-ahụta na Christianity bụ ihe bịara abịa, ma ihe ndị niile bụzi ihe nwa bekee o ji na survive Matthias Ezeaku adịghị ekwu gbasatara ya. Mana ihe ọ na-ahụta bụ ihe ọbụla gbasatara ụka, gbasatara Christianity ka Matthias Ezeaku na-ebu n'isi. Matthias Ezeaku, ekwele ka mmiri kpafara gị n'eze. Si gị ekwele ka mmiri kpafara gị n'eze. Ekwekwela ka mmiri kpafara gị n'eze. Ekwekwele ka akamụ gbakara gị n'olu. Matthias Ezeaku, biko geenụ ntị n'olu nwa amadi a ka unu mara ma ọ nwere ebe ihe gbasatara Kraịst maọbụ Jizọs maọbụ Christianity maọbụ chọọchị maọbụ pastọs si relate ihe n'ọnwụ ya nwa amadi a. Nkasi obi na iru ji ga-enye nwanne gị nwa ya nwụnahara bụ ịbịade na Jesus has disappointed this one. Did Jesus disappoint in the sense that na ọ kpọrọ nwa ya gawa prayer maọbụ gawa ụka maọbụ gịnị? Matthias Ezeaku, before now you were a Christian and you never died as a Christian. And I believe na ọbụla ndị omenala ya kemgbe i bidoro fanda that omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu, enwere ndị nwụna among your omenala people, enwere your victims, enwere dead victims of your members. Ị ga-agwa m na nnọ ihe niile bega na your clinic so na your charity organization so na your office na ha niile bega na ha niile survive ga the treatment. Even the ones that you funded earlier and so on and so forth, there are still casualties. Achọrọ ka ị gee ya, ka ị gee n'olu nwa amadi ị ga n'olu ya ihe. Achọrọ ka ị gee ntị ote ya nwatakịrị ya si wee nwụọ. Matthias, ka m gwa gị for the last time, si gị ekwekwele ka mmiri kpafara gị n'eze, ekwele ka akamụ gbakọrọ gị n'olu. Ka mmekwa ka ịmara sị, no matter what you do, no matter how you criticize Christianity, your omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu can never achieve 1/4 of what Christianity was able to achieve before the invasion of the charlatans into Christianity today. Your omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na your foundation or whatever can never achieve 1/4 of what Christianity was able to achieve before the invasion of the charlatans. You can't achieve it, no matter how you struggle, no matter how you try to criticize. Christianity is a global mission, it's a global faith, it's a global religion, not a fraction, not 10 people in one room name get to eating. People are just a kind of, let me not just insult anybody. Let me not just call people names. But for you, young man, think twice. I'm Ohini Lizuge. I'm Ohini Lizuge. I'm a Ohini Lizuge. I don't care what your supporters will say. I'm Ohini Lizuge. Magi onye na support Matthias Ezeaku. sọpọtụ n'ezi uche, ọ bụghị na uche gbagọrọ agbagọ. Biri ka mbiri. The sky is so spacious enough for everyone to live in. Isi na ọ bụghị otu aha, ikuku ga-eburu oge.
This is sad. It's been reported that Yul Edochie has lost his first son, Kambili Chukwu, moments after he finished writing his exams. It was said that Kambi had prepared for his exam the previous night, reading throughout the night, pretty much studying. And then the next day was the exams which he wrote, and after he finished writing, he went on to play football with his friends. And it was while he was playing, he developed a seizure, fidgeting, where he was immediately rushed to a hospital. It was in the hospital he passed. That's as far as we know about the cause of death. Though at this moment, Yul has not made any official statement, but the passing of his son is really sending a lot of waves throughout the internet. A lot of people are sympathizing with him. I think they're also dragging his second wife. I don't know how or what she had to do with this. The young man had just celebrated his 16th birthday 2 months ago and I think he's even set to graduate from secondary school. He's in his final year according to sources, and suddenly this just happened. It's a lot of questioning. I know this happens often than not. Like, a lot of young people do die while playing football. It's something that we've seen a lot. People slump while playing football. People do lose their life in the course of playing football, even without anyone having to hit them or kick them in the wrong places. We've seen cases where things happen while on the field. It's not clear if he had any medical issue, any underlying medical issue, if he had probably a weak heart or any condition at all. From what we know, he might have been healthy until he went to that field to play football, and then that happened. It's really unfortunate and it's sad, and there is really no words, because again, we've said this before, even when Davido lost his son. How do one heal from this? How do one move on from this? It's sad, it's unfortunate, but we just have to keep praying for him and sending prayers to his mother, and hopefully they're able to deal with this loss, because it's heartbreaking.